Hello, I am Jeff Hajek. I'm the owner and founder of Action Continuous Improvement. This video is part of my continuous improvement development system, and it is intended to help you get a robust business system in place that both cultivates and thrives under a continuous improvement culture. Now, I've actually started this video a few times and even recorded a complete take of an earlier version, but I didn't really like the way it turned out. It started to drift away from what Lean is and got too much into the history and an explanation of tools and what Lean isn't. All these are important, but they cloud what Lean has become. So I scrapped my earlier efforts because I feel an obligation here. I want to make sure I do Lean justice in the explanation of what it is, but I want you to be aware that it's not easy and that most companies don't achieve what they expect from it and many give up. It is hard to find specific stats on that, but the one I did find from a while ago indicate that over 3/4 of companies fell short of their goals. I feel a lot of pressure to set the hook, so to speak, and to get you interested in Lean. So what is it? In a nutshell, whenever I start talking about it, it boils down to common sense. What I mean by that is that Lean is really one of many disciplines that fall under this umbrella of continuous improvement, and nobody argues with the concept of continuous improvement, right? We all understand that the world changes and that the things that worked yesterday don't work today. If you don't evolve, you get left behind. So I never really get an argument about the need for continuous improvement, in principle. Some people might like the way things are now and might resist change, but they still recognize that eventually change is both required and inevitable. And when I get into Lean and talk about the tools, the principles behind most of them are used in many, many aspects of your daily life. It is extremely easy to find a real-world analogy to teach nearly every tool in the Lean kit. So common sense. Now, under that umbrella, the different approaches to CI each stress different things. Six Sigma is hyper-focused on reducing variation to minuscule levels, for example. Lean is a much simpler approach. It focuses on relentlessly improving processes to reduce waste and increase the speed at which you deliver value to your customers. One of the challenges with me making this video is that there are a lot of tools associated with Lean that often take prominence that overshadows Lean as a holistic approach of management and production. It also has a reputation of being a manufacturing-focused discipline. That's primarily because of its close association with Toyota and the emphasis most of the popular tools have on physical production work. So when explaining what Lean is to people, I have to take into account that most people already have some notion about what it is. And often those notions are misguided but are understandable. So yes, Lean has a lot of unique tools associated with it, and many are manufacturing heavy in their application. But the truth is that even in the early days, Lean required a lot of support from non-manufacturing departments, and it has increasingly thrived in service companies as well. So again, think of Lean not as a set of manufacturing tools, but rather as a business approach that aims to engage everyone in a company with efficiently providing value to the customers quickly. I know that you're not going to finish watching this video with a clear understanding of what Lean is. I've been studying it for 20-ish years, and sometimes I question what it is. In fact, over the years, I've sort of fused my views on Lean and continuous improvement and used both terms somewhat interchangeably. So it's even more clear now, right? What I want you to take away from this video is a desire to learn more and form your own deeper understanding of what Lean is. Learn its history, look for case studies, explore its tools. I hope you are a bit intrigued. You should be. When done well, Lean can transform an organization. It can drive remarkable improvements in business metrics, but also in employee satisfaction. So go out and learn more, and hopefully, before too long, you will be taking the first few steps of a long, long, long Lean journey. Again, I am Jeff Hajek. Good luck.